The goal here is to whack them, hang them, slit them, and then we can take our time processing them, and then we'll throw the meat here in the ice water, and then go to the next. So, you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. They're a couple months old, so it's time to take care of them. So these are them. All except for the brown one, and there's a brown and black one in there that the girls want to keep. And because the brown and black one is a male, we've got to get rid of another male, right?
Yep, Oreo.
And so they've already named it. Mr. Oreo down here is going to have to go. And you know, my daughter, she wants to help out, which is a little surprising. I didn't think that either one would want to help out with this, but they do. And so what I'm going to try to do is take this first rabbit and whack it in the head and knock it out, lights out, and then put his back feet through these little slip knots here and hang him over my trash can. I got a trash can here to catch the blood, and we're going to slit the throat and let the heart go ahead and pump out all the blood and catch it here in this trash can. And the goal here is for him to be dead before he wakes up. Hopefully it works out, because we don't want him to wake up while he's hanging upside down and a knife to his throat and a headache from being whacked in the head and have to whack him again. He's probably not going to be happy. So anyway, the goal here is to whack them, hang them, slit them, and then we can take our time processing them, and then we'll throw the meat here in the ice water, and then go to the next. So, you ready?
Yeah.
Here we go. All right.
Are you seriously gonna record it while we kill it?
Now I'm gonna turn around.
Poor Oreo. I'm gonna say goodbye. I wanna kiss it real good.
Don't make it sad.
I want please.
Poor kids.
Sad.
I'm good. I shake this paw. I'm good.
Oh boy. Okay.
Need to kill.
Here's Mr. Oreo. I'm having flashbacks of the rooster.
What's that kid jumping?
Again, he's being noisy. Man, I don't want to do this.
How dare you?
Oh, I gotta do it though. Man.
Is it because it's our pal?
Okay. Gotta get up my courage here.
Okay. I'll hold the bucket. Okay.
Yeah, put it this way. Man, I don't want to do it. Oh, this is killing me. Are you okay?
Yeah. I don't feel too bad for Oreo because I mostly didn't really play with him.
And he
So.
mostly scratches me too.
Yeah, he kept on scratching Hannah and stuff, making her bleed.
Yeah. That's what I was afraid of.
I think you're supposed to keep it down, then whack it. You know, so you can get a better hit.
I'm just gonna shoot it.
Yeah.
Here, you want to hold him?
No. Didn't work, so we're gonna try again. Actually, we're gonna shoot him this time. Guys, I gotta watch over the rabbit. My daddy's gone to get his gun because Rami here wants to eat him. I'm a little sad because he was our pal. And we're gonna kill the other rabbits, you know, and I think by shooting them too, because whacking them in the head is too hard, you see. So I think we're just gonna shoot them under their chin, for they'll be dead, and it won't get blood all over our meat, hopefully, because we're gonna eat it, so hopefully it won't get the blood all over our meat when we shoot it. That's why we didn't really want to shoot it, and I got mud all over me because I fell into the mud hole when we were picking up the water. I was barefooted. Yeah. Dad needs to hurry because that guy's eating the grass. He's eating the leaves. And he can't eat before we kill him, or his gut is gone before when we hit it. Then there could be pee or poop all over our meat. So that's one thing that can't feed them all of them before we kill.
We hit it in the head, and it didn't knock it out. So I feel bad for him. I hate it. So I brought my little 22 out, and this time we're just going to shoot it in the back of the head, hang it up here, bleed it, and then process it. Do it that way. Take it. Here.
He's dead.
Yeah. He's dead.
Blood's running. Right in his eye, man.
Did it come out his eye?
Yeah, you took out his eye.
Ow!
You cut it
I
yourself?
cut myself with the same thing I cut him with. Man.
Too bad you can just not shoot his head off, you know? You can, probably, but it's going to take a lot of bullets.
Just let him hang and keep Remy away from him.
Can't believe they left the video on. Cause I thought he was gonna turn it off when he stopped bitching, cause he said he would, cause he didn't want you guys to see that. But so I asked him if I could turn it off, but he didn't want to. So yeah, I had to go processing it, but he did anyway. I wish this wrecked his hand. I need to get up the stair on my hair. But I have to stay here with him. Make sure he doesn't try these rabbits or any other dog. Don't you let that dog are inside. Don't let me, because that is inside the room. Oh, our dog Remy, he's for sale. The one that was trying to eat our rabbit, he is for sale. But maybe he won't be for when you see this video. Today is, I don't know, so maybe in the end of the video I could show you him. You could take a better glance. And I'm gonna ask Daddy if he could tell you his phone number or something, but probably not. And yeah, so.
Here's our rabbit.
And those right things are his feet.
Now the question is, how do you cut him up?
I don't know.
And how many bags are there? There's 3. I've already watched this.
You like so
Did you look out the window?
Yes. Oh, that's just gross. Is his tail still on?
Well, I didn't want to accidentally cut his colon and get poop on our meat, so I'm going to go back and trim around that.
I thought dude had a big tummy.
No,
No, that's just not his tongue, it's his gut. Wait, you still haven't took out his insides?
Not yet.
Not yet. Hannah, that rabbit was so hard that it kicked on the line just to say, did it behind the stick, and he why he's got to use that tree cutter. I can't believe what he's using.
What?
Our handlebars, come on, dude. Yeah.
Just like that?
They drunk?
Whole lot easier.
Hannah, there's a lot
And
of
it was the first time.
Hannah, look. Hannah, look, there's blood on Naomi's seat.
We gotta wash that.
Inside too.
We're gonna have to wash that.
Oh, I can't believe what I just looked at. Seriously, you can barely see it. All you can see Billy's red. I bet you're not keeping any rabbit feet after
Two more to go.
Hannah.
So. Here's the first one. This rabbit was a New Zealand and California cross. They say it's supposed to be pretty good. I guess I'll find out. Yesterday I was wondering if I'd be able to eat these, but then I started on the diet, and I'm pretty hungry right now, and these rabbits are looking pretty good, so I think I'll manage. Alright, let me put the camera down here. Alright. That's going to be good eating right there. Yeah, boy. I was up at the office. You know, I've been on this diet, so I hardly eat anything all day. I was hungry. I got thinking about this rabbit. So that's it. I'm going to come home and grill me some rabbit. Here we go. First time ever. Oh! To eat rabbit. Hope it's good. Make sure it's cooked all the way. Mmm. Wow. That is good. Mm-mm. Y'all not had rabbit before? You gotta have some rabbit. What?
Can I be out here?
Yeah. You wanna try some rabbit?
Where's her?
This one.
It is. Tastes like chicken.
That's what I said.
When you're real hungry, this will taste really good.
And I am. Hey, you wanna try some rabbit?
Oh man, it smells good.
And tastes good too.
Really? So it was worthy?
Hannah,
Yeah.
Daddy
There you
said. Daddy said if it on the
It's
thing,
warm.
if it passed the kid test, it's pretty good stuff. Okay, Mimi. I'm hot and spicy for you.
Can you hand me the plate over there?
Sure.
Mmm.
What do you think?
Like chicken. Oh man, qué rico. Mmm. You see?